You have been saying как дела for months. It's your go-to phrase. Then you hear как твои дела and think, wait, why твои? Shouldn't be твой or another pronoun? No, and the reason unlocks the logic behind Russian possessives. Let me show you. Here are the 4 common ways to ask how are you with the word дела in Russian. Focus on the first and third columns. Твои and ваш are plural possessives. They agree with дела, which is plural. The phrases with у тебя and у вас use a different grammar, the genitive case. We will explore that in a future video. For now, remember the core rule. Plural noun needs plural possessive. Now, the short versions. Как ты and как вы. These are direct questions. They literally mean how you with the verb to be implied. Use как ты with friends, family, and people you know well. And как вы with strangers, elders, or more than one person. These short versions do not use possessives. They are just pronouns in the nominative case. Now you have both options, the short version and the full version with дела. But let's focus on как твои дела. Why is it твои and not твой or твоя? The answer is simple. Дела is plural, so you need the plural possessive твои. Gender is not involved here. Дела means affairs or things. The rule is plural noun, plural possessive. That is the key insight. Let's see the rule in action. Here is the full pattern with мой. When the noun is singular, the possessive changes based on gender. Мой for masculine, моя for feminine, и моё for neuter. But when the noun becomes plural, the possessive becomes мои, no matter what the gender the singular form had. See how дела, neuter singular, becomes дела, plural, and the possessive changes from моё to мои. Now, based on this pattern, how would you say my sisters if sisters is сестры? The answer is мои сестры, because сестры is plural, so you use the plural possessive мои. The noun tells you which possessive to use. Here is the same pattern for my, your, informal singular, and your, formal plural. Look at the bottom row. For plural nouns, all 3 becomes мои, твои, ваш, no gender distinction. That's the rule. Singular, gender matters, plural, no gender distinction. A quick note on дела and дела. The singular form дела is neuter. It means an affair, a matter, a thing, or even a legal case. The plural form дела means affairs, things, or business. But here is the important point. Как дела is a fixed expression. Russians do not ask about a single дело in this context. They always use the plural дела to ask about your general state. That is why we say как дела and never как дело or как твоё дело when asking how are you. Here is a complete summary table for quick reference. For singular nouns, the possessive changes based on gender. For plural nouns, the possessive is always мои, твои, ваш, for my, your, and их, for their, regardless of gender. This is the pattern. Learn it once and you will never make a mistake with possessives again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more Russian grammar explained from an A2 learner. Пока!